Step into the digital age with us, where your dealership isn't just a place to buy cars. It's a cutting-edge digital experience. Learn how to leverage AI like ChatGPT and other cutting-edge technology to craft personalized customer experience in an unparalleled manner. Hi, I'm Justin Hill with Proactive Duo Solutions, and I'm here today to talk to you about some of the cutting-edge topics that we're teaching in MasterClass. Now, you may have come to MasterClass before or even previous boot camps, but as our customer evolves and as we need to evolve in dealing with or interacting with our customer, so has our class. So I'm here to talk to you about some of the exciting new things that we're going to go over. Rather than just phone skills training that we've done in the past, we're going to start looking at how we can help you master skills in utilizing your digital retail tools to enhance the customer experience and to make sure that we create a seamless online to showroom transition. It's so important now more than ever for us to make sure that what our customer sees online and what they get when they get into the store is a seamless thing. We want to make sure that we earn credibility and earn trust with our customer as a dealer. That has to start with our online presence and filter in to the showroom. That leads me to communication, one of the next big topics we're really going to focus on in MasterClass. We're going to help you to utilize AI to tailor conversations and responses based on your customer inquiries, their behaviors, so that we can offer them a personalized experience that not only boosts engagement for your store, but also customer satisfaction. Template creation consistency. Maybe you're still using the same templates that were set up when your CRM provider came in and got everything set up for you. What we can do is to use AI to develop templates that are going to be more common around customer interactions, ensure consistent, high-quality communication across all digital touchpoints, from email to chat responses. The last thing that we're really going to help to focus on is the efficiency and the availability. So we're going to go right back to AI, and we're going to help you to implement ChatGPT or other solutions to make sure we're providing a 24/7 communication with our customer. We answer any questions they may have, help them with scheduling appointments, and providing the information without delay. This will not only increase customer service efficiency, but will also help to drive more revenue for your store. If you're ready to revolutionize your dealership's customer experience with the power of AI, sign up today for one of our master classes. We'll be happy to help walk you through how to drive more revenue for your store while also skyrocketing CSI. I'm Justin Hill with Proactive Duo Solutions. Thanks, and make it a great day.